Hey folks, a mild night across the valley. Temperatures holding steady in the low 70s valley-wide right now. 74 McAllen, 74 Harlingen, 73 South Padre and Port Isabel at this hour. Watch what happens overnight though. Temperatures hold steady near 70 most of the night, but by 8 a.m. here comes the front. And notice some places are still in the 70s, but the front making its way through the valley, already down to 61 in Rio Grande City. By noon, front's all the way through. It's in the 50s in most of the valley and falling, but still in the 60s at the coast. And then by middle of the afternoon, everybody's in the 50s, 58 at the beach, 51 in Raymondville, 54 in Rio Grande City, Edinburg, Weslaco, McAllen, Harlingen, Brownsville, all at 52 degrees by the end of the day. So the front kind of the great equalizer, bringing most of the valley to about the same reading. And by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, we're all at 50, 51. Just a little bit warmer at the beach, but not much, 58 degrees there. So from now till tomorrow night, we're looking at about a 20-degree change. In the afternoon temperatures, it's about a 30-degree change because this afternoon we're in the mid-80s and tomorrow afternoon we'll be in the mid-50s. By 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, most of the valley's in the 40s, the exception being the beach, but a chilly start to your Wednesday across the valley. And afternoon temperatures warm a little, but not a lot. Low 60s, that's it. So a cool day Wednesday, another cold night Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon we warm it up a little bit, but not much. Still below average temperature-wise through the middle part of the week. So tomorrow the high is right before the front, so 68 to 70 early, but of course it'll drop down into the 50s during the afternoon. And then after that, each day is a little bit warmer all the way into Sunday. Another front Monday, then we'll cool it off a little bit for the middle part of next week. Look at the rest of Texas. Front just went through Austin there at 64, while San Antonio's not there yet, still 70, but 38 in Abilene, 29 in Dalhart, 44 in Dallas. South of the front, everybody's at least 70 degrees. So a big contrast across the state tonight. Behind the front, some pretty good cloud cover and some rain and even a little bit of a wintry mix starting to show up right in there. You see it just a little bit, and Dallas could see a little bit of that wintry mix later tonight, early tomorrow. That's 8 a.m. and the blue actually indicates snow and the pink is an icy wintry mix. So could be a messy commute in the morning, but things aren't going to stick around long. It's out of there pretty quickly. By tomorrow evening, we're back to sunshine in Dallas, and the front's through here. We see some leftover clouds into the evening hours. Could be a brief shower or two, sprinkle, drizzle with the front. That's about it. By Wednesday, we're back to sunshine for the most part. A lot of rain sitting just offshore, but it's staying offshore, so we stay mainly dry. By Thursday, the wind's back out of the southeast. We bring humidity back in. And Friday, though, Saturday, Sunday, all look like really nice days with highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s and 60s. So comfortable over the weekend once again. Warm front pushes through late Sunday into Monday, and then another front comes through on Monday, bringing cooler temperatures for the middle part of next week. Rain chances, about a 40% chance for light stuff tomorrow. Dry Wednesday, mainly dry Thursday, dry through the weekend. Next chance of rain comes on Monday. If you are traveling, tomorrow it's going to start at 36 in Dallas, 46 in San Antonio, 55 in Houston, and we're in the 70s. By afternoon, they warm up a little, we cool off into the 50s. See your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy, a late night shower. We're talking sprinkles closer to dawn, and that's the case much of the day tomorrow. Temperatures start in the 60s, drop into the 50s as the wind turns around, comes out of the north, gusting to 35 miles per hour. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and keep in mind tomorrow a gale watch is in effect at the coast because winds are going to be very, very gusty there. Temperature 68 and falling. There's the rest of the forecast. We're back in the 70s just in time for the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Erica.